Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so keep your eye out for those. And I'm sharing my investment journey with stocks and crypto with you guys as well. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at IBM. I'll be having a look at the company and the stock analysis. If you would like to get your own free shares in Trading 212, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to sign up. I'll definitely recommend, if you live in the UK, to sign up for an ISA account. The reason for that is that keeps all your money safe from taxes. So all the growth your portfolio makes means you don't have to pay any taxes on it, and you can invest up to £20,000 in your ISAs per year. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. International Business Mechanics Corporation provides integrated solutions and services worldwide. Its global technology service segment provides IT infrastructure and platform services and project management, outsourcing and cloud delivery services for enterprises, IT infrastructures, environments, and IT infrastructure support services. The company system segment offers services for businesses, cloud services providers, and scientific computing organization, data storage products and solutions, an enterprising operating system as well as Linux. Its global financial segment provides leasing, installment payments, loan financing, short-term work capital financing, remanufacturing and marketing services. So IBM has a lot of products to have a look at. Is the main news that IBM commits to net zero greenhouse gases emissions by 2030, which I think is really great considering we are all trying to cut down on our emissions. So having a look at their products, I was quite shocked at the quantity of products they have. So they have their essentials, which is the hybrid cloud and the artificial intelligence. Then their top products, they have quite a few different products and platforms that they offer. And industries, they have quite a lot of industries that their systems can work on. There's the banking, financial market, energy and utilities, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, retail, consumer products, travel and transport, and a lot of others as well. The artificial intelligence helps with customer services, deeper learning, platform and IPSAs, and there's a lot of others as well. You can go and have a look more into that. They also work with automation, where they help businesses become more automated or business process mapping. So that is a lot of different things so far, but the one that shocked me the most is the blockchain. So they've got a blockchain platform, transparent suppliers, blockchain for suppliers management, blockchain for trading finances, and blockchain for supplying chain. So this is really showing that they are innovative and trying to look into the future, where we are going with the blockchain technology and with cryptocurrencies and everything in the future. So business operations, so they can help with systems to make companies run better. Then they've got the cloud computing, data analysis, IT infrastructure, security, supply chain. As you can see, they have a lot of products and solutions that you can come and have a look through on the website and select the ones that you are more interested in to go and have a read through. Unfortunately, I won't be going into each one separately, as that will take me very long and it will make this video way too long in my opinion. So let's have a look. You've got the services and consultation. So even here they are offering more services on top of all their products, where they do design and business strategies for you. They've got the hybrid multi-cloud services, the talented and transformation, application services, the security services, services for tech support, and payment plan for services and consulting. And there's even more services than that. So if we scroll down, and then we want to have a look at the investor relations. So with investor relations today, IBM has laid laid the foundation for a new era of technology and business. And I think if you look at all the products they're offering, they're really trying very hard to move forward and make sure they're up to date with everything they are doing. So if we have a look into finance, here you can go and find the financial report, the stock chart, the investment calculator and stock history, news and events. You've got the events and presentations and articles and news about the company, the board and ESG. So there's the overview, and here you can find a lot more about the leaders, what they are doing, find out more about the board and the committees. Then the stockholder services. So you've got your computing shares investment plan, annual meeting of stockholders. Here you can submit a question for the annual meeting, and investor information, forums and contact. If you're getting value so far, please hit that like button so it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So having a look at Seeking Alpha, you will see International Business Mechanics Corporation, ticker symbol IBM, is currently trading at $135.83. If you have a look at the last year, you will see it has gone up and down quite a lot over the last year. Still up 20% from where we started with the pandemic last year. So if we scroll down, here is a lot of articles you can come and read if you like. IBM undervalued, dividend stock to buy. It's finally time to buy IBM. IBM stock is a good dividend stock. If you like GE, buy IBM instead. So there's a lot of articles you can come and have a read to decide if it's the stock for you. The current ratings is neutral on all of them. Now, when I bought the stock, it was all green. So I bought the stock at $125 on the 9th of March. So the value is a B, the growth is a D-, and the profitability is an A+. Now, this company is in the technology sector. Industry is IT consulting and other services. They have 345,900 employees, and they were founded in 1911, and they are in the United States. Now, if we have a look at the revenue, 2016 it was 79 billion, almost 80 billion. In 2017, 79 again. 2018, 79, 2019, 77, and then with COVID they had a bit of a knock, so that was 73, and the estimated is 74 and 74 again. So that shows that they have constant revenue coming in. So if we have a look at earnings per share, in the fourth quarter in 2019 it was $4.71. First quarter in 2020 it was $1.84. The second quarter it was $2.18. In the third quarter is $2.58. In the fourth quarter $2.07. And the estimated are $1.82 and $2.40 at this point. So if we have a look at the growth, you will see the revenue is minus 4.57. The revenue over the last 3 years was minus 2.38. The EPS is minus 41.97. And the EPS over 3 years is minus 0.04. Now, like with all companies, COVID has really given them an impact. Profitability, the gross profit margin is 48.82. The EBIT margin is 11.66. The net income margin is 7.59. Return on equity is 26.38. And return on asset is 3.48. Now, the momentum in comparison to the S&P 500, the S&P 500 has done better than them over the last year. The dividend growth history, so in 2010 they were giving $2.50, and as you can see they kept growing their dividends every single year. We will have a more in-depth look at the dividends in a minute. Here you can have a look at the capital structure, the trading data and the ownership. So you can see there's a lot of places holding on to these shares. Overall, this is held by institutions. We'll have more of a look into the ownership when we have a look at Yahoo Finance. So let's have a look at the dividends. So if we go and scroll down, you will see the dividend yield is a 4.78. The annual payout is $6.52. The payout ratio is 59.09. The 5-year growth is 4.63, and it's got a dividend growth of 21 years. Now, this is a quarterly dividend paying stock, and it's paying out amount of $1.63. So let's have a look at the dividend history. So for the dividend growth, it's got 21 years, but the sector only has 2 years. The dividend payment, they've been paying dividends for 31 years and the sector only 9 years. So that is all a plus in my opinion as well. So if you have a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see the market cap is 121 billion. The PE ratio is 21.85. The EPS is 6.23. And the dividends is $6.52, which is 4.78%. The 52-week range is from 104.52 to 137.05. So if we have a look at the earnings, you will see the first quarter of 2020, they beat it by just a little bit. The second quarter, they beat by a lot. They met the third quarter and they beat the fourth quarter as well. So we are waiting on the first quarter of this year's earnings. So if we go and have a look at the financials, you will see the revenue is quite high. And for the earnings for 2017, it was 5.75 billion. For 2018, it was 8.73 billion. For 2019, it was 9.43 billion. And for 2020, it was 5.59 billion. So if we go and have a look further down, you will see there's strong buys, buy, holds, underperform, and one sell. Now, the overall rating at the moment is between a buy and a hold. When I bought it, it was on a buy. It was on $125 on the 9th of March. If we have a look at the annualized price targets, the low is 115. It's currently on 136.19. The average is 137.84. And the high is 165. So if we go and have a look at the holders, if we have a look at the majority holders breakdown, you will see 0.13 is being held by insiders, 58.58 of shares are held by institutions, 58.66 of float held by institutions, and the number of institutions holding the share is 2,561. So if we go and have a look at the top institutions, Vanguard is holding on to over 73 million, BlackRock is holding on to 62 million, State Street Corporation is holding on to 51 million. Northern Trust Corporation is holding on to 10 million. Morgan Stanley is 9 million. Bank of New York, 9 million. The top mutual fund holders is Vanguard is holding on to 25 million. Vanguard again 17 million. SPDR, S&P 500 EFT Trust is 9 million. Fidelity 500 is 8 million. Another Vanguard of 7 million, iShares of 6 million, Vanguard 5 million again, SPDR Dow Jones is 5 million. You can see a lot of the great mutual fund holders is holding on to the stock as well. So IBM is a buy for me. I like the fact that they are working in blockchain and trying to be up to date with all the latest information. But please do your due diligence to decide if this is a company that you would like to invest in. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.